Hi mommies, good morning. And I'm recording the video after like a long time, and just to come back with the video, I thought it's time for me to put the October handbook. I prepared it like a couple of weeks back, but my phone had some major issue, so every time I was going to record a video, it used to just stop automatically. So I think it was just telling me to take a break, take it easy and come back again. Okay, so getting back to the book, so again I have taken a simple drawing book which will cost you like peanuts, and to make it like look more fancy, what you have to do, you have to just create nice activities inside. Okay, so let me just open the book and show you what are we gonna do for October. I know it's just October has like 4 or 5 more days to go, but we'll be doing it, and then I think by first week of November we should be able to finish it off. Okay. Okay, so that's the first activity. As you can see, I have made this square with a lot of blocks. So the basic idea behind this is this, a Rubik's Cube. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place a Rubik's Cube here, and as you can see, there's a sticker here, and there are all these stickers. There are 6 stickers here because like a cube has 6 sides. So every side I have placed a sticker. So like red, pink, yellow, purple, green, a darker green, and then yellow. Okay, so what Vivan has to do, Vivan has to see the color, and then with the help of either crayons or pencil colors, he has to do that coloring. So like if this one says green, the green will come here, so he'll start from here. So either he can start from here or he can start from here, that it completely depends on him. So I want him to like look at the cube. If it says blue, the blue will come here, red will come here, then this will be white. Then this will be white, this will be green, orange, then this will be white, red and orange. So that's how he's gonna do it for all of them. This will just help him to focus and to concentrate on the color combinations. And I know it's gonna be a bit confusing because every time he will rotate, he will see a different colors. A lot of times it'll be same colors, but I think it's gonna be a lot of fun to do this activity. And I'm focusing a lot of coloring and motor skill activities for Vivan because I think at this time when he's just started writing, I need him to focus more on coloring, on picking up things, on doing things by himself. So all my activities are now around with the pencil or the colors or like something like that. Okay, so this was activity 1, which was with the help of Rubik's Cube. And guys, if you don't have Rubik's Cube, I mean, you can like recreate it by just like take a piece of paper, and then you can draw a square. You can like cut out a paper, draw a square, and then you can bifurcate it to like 9 different squares, color them, and you can represent them to the kids, and then they can color coordinate, and that's how this can be done. Okay, so going forward, I have again taken a square and I have put these dots. It's a different way of learning numbers, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 4, 5. So we will just look at this and I will ask Vivan that what number is this, what is this, what's this. So he has idea, but I think we are still not very thorough with this, so we're just gonna repeat it. That's why I've kept like one simple activity like after that activity, so that once we do that page, then immediately if he wants to see, he can see, wow, this looks easy and this is very simple. So let me check it out. So that's how we'll do this, and once he identifies the number, and if he wishes, he can write the number right here. Or if he wants to match, I can ask him, can you find the 2 numbers which are same here? Then he can say 5 and 5. So with one page, you can do like 3 different things. Of course, you have 4 and 4 also. Okay, going forward, what I've done, I have used my dot markers to create these circles, and we need to group them into 3. So Mickey is showing you how to group them into 3 by these 3 and like putting a circle around it with a black color. Vivan will be using either a pencil or a pencil color to do it. And with the pencil color, he has to just create a circle. So I have made it a little simple. I've already made the 3 colors like together so that he doesn't have to find it to begin with, and then he has to just circle them. So 2, and then 3 and then 4. Here it will overlap, but that's okay. That's what I have done, because to begin with it will be simple just to make circles, but here when he'll be making a circle, he needs to be very careful that it doesn't overlap. But even if it's overlap, it's okay to begin with. So I think it was a very nice grouping activity. It's something which we have not done before. So yes, you don't have the markers, dot markers, it's okay. Take a cotton swab, dip it into paint and do it, or you can take a paintbrush, just paint it, or you can just use a sketch pen or color pencil, or maybe some stickers if you have, and you can group. So grouping activity can be done with anything, with numbers, with colors, with shapes, with size, with anything. Okay, so we have a very bad looking train wagon here, as you can see. I mean, I've done a very shitty job, but okay, to begin with. So what I've done, I have made these 3 wagons and I've written these 3 numbers, 17, 20 and 13. So these randomly I've taken these numbers, and what I've done, I have a lot of these foam stickers with me. I had ordered them from Amazon last year, and so I have in bulk, and especially these sizes I hardly use because Vivan tries and use the bigger ones. So what I've done, I've taken all of them here and I've put them in this box. So what Vivan has to do, Vivan has to just simply take them, and he has to paste 17 squares here. So these are like 17 squares. So this is gonna be like, it's gonna be like a train which is carrying goods. So these are the goods, and you have to paste them here. So with the help of white PVC glue, he would be pasting all of them here. So 17 here, 20 here and 13 here. Yes, I think it's gonna be interesting. And if you don't have the foam stickers, don't worry. You can just tell them to make circles. You can tell them to color like 17 times. Or if you have stampers, or if you have DIY stampers, like if you have any sticker, you paste it on your bottle cap, and then they can stamp like 17 times, 20 times and 13 times. But yes, you need to give a lot of space to do that, because I've tried this activity many times, and what I've done always is I've given very less space to Vivan. So this time I did it myself first to see whether, like, do we have enough space to paste 20, 13 and 17 here. And yes, this time I think I did a good job by giving him a lot of space. Okay, so again here we have a Mickey Mouse sticker. So whatever stickers I had, so I thought I'll just use them. And I have made these balloons here. So I've written number like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So these are the even numbers. So we would be I'm just introducing him to even numbers and odd numbers. So these are the odd numbers. And first we'll only do the odd numbers. And then this activity will be converted into missing numbers. So 1 and 3, what comes in between? 2. 3 and 5, what comes in between 3 and 5? 4. So that's how I'm going to explore this activity with Vivan. And if you want to do it, you can just do it simply like what comes after 1, 2, and then 3, then what comes then 4, then 5. So I would be doing like in between now, and not just what comes after 1. Okay, so we have this. So what I've done here, I have like just made these 4 flags here, and I have created their silhouettes here, so, or you can say shadow, with very muted colors, so like very light gray and brown. And what Vivan has to do, Vivan has to figure out which pattern matches where. So like this one, you have the squares inside. You have circles inside of different shapes. So where are the circles here of different shape? Here. So he's gonna write, there's a number here 3, he's gonna write 3 here. He doesn't have to match, he has to write the number. Okay, so now we have triangles here of different shape. Where are the triangles? This one? This is the same pattern? Nope, this is the same pattern. So like 2 will come here. So that's how we're gonna figure it out, all 4 of them. Okay, so here we have our Dominos matching activity, and I had these very cute looking stickers which don't stick at all, and I had to use the glue, and that's the reason like I've been not using them for quite some time. But I thought like it's high time that I need to finish it from my bulk, because I generally don't overbuy. So once I finish all my stuff, like I almost when I'm left with my 20% of my resources, that's the time when I go back and buy more stuff. So right now I think I'm like sitting on like 50% still. So I want to like wind up everything to get the new stickers or new set of books or new set of colors or like different things. Okay, so what I've done here, I have made these very cute dominoes here. So like if you can see, this is a happy tooth and this is a sad tooth. So where's the happy and sad tooth here? It's here. So the same dominoes he needs to match. So you have one teeth here, you have two here. You have one teeth here, you have two here. You need to match. So like this, I've made this side and then I've made this side, and you have, see, you have like nice three teeth here, and then you have a toothpaste. And then you have the three teeth here, and then you have a toothpaste. So this and this is the same. So it's a very simple matching activity which he needs to do, looking at the dominoes. And you can have a closer look of all these cute little teeth images or like stickers. I don't know what's the yellow one for. So maybe I thought there's like, this is full of black. Okay. Okay, so I think this is my favorite activity within this with this book today. What I've done, I have used again a lot of my foam stickers to create this. So what I did, I made a rocket, a truck, a spiral, a heart, and a bunny. And whatever shapes I have used to make this, I have put them here in one of the blocks. Okay, so Vivan needs to figure it out that if this is a truck, this has like 2 red squares, 3 yellow squares, and 2 blue circles. Where are they? So how has Mama made this? So he has to just basically find out from here which block have I used to make this. So if this is here, he has to tell me, Mama, this is for this one. And what about the bunny now? The bunny has a green oval, a pink oval. Yes, the bunny has circle. Yes, the bunny has 2 small circles and a small triangle. Yes, so this is it. So this and this goes hand in hand. So I think it's going to be a very interesting activity for us, and I hope he likes it, and I hope he enjoys doing it. Okay, going further, this is looks by look. So what's here? That's the activity. So with his magnifying glass, he needs to see, look at the alphabet, and that's a T. And then I have written in different squares different alphabets. So I will be presenting them this. I will be presenting Vivan this, and with the help of the magnifying glass, he'll look at the alphabet and he needs to find the alphabet here. So that was P. Where is P? P, 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 P. Hey, is that P? Is that P? Is that P? Yeah, that's P. So he needs to paste it here. So correspondingly, I have made like 5 or 6 stickers, different, and he needs to find them and glue it, and then he needs to paste it here. Okay, and now this is free scribble time. So like if he wants to write an alphabet, if he writes a number or something, he can write it here. Yep. So addition. Yes, guys, we have already started addition. Rather, we are like on the second level of addition, where we started with like 1 plus 1, and then 1 plus 2, and 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, and now we are at like 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 4, but like, yes, with a single digit, not double digit, yes. So I have used my dot markers again, and I would want to, Vivan has to also use the dot markers and reply. So it's like 1 plus 1, he has to make 2 dots with the dot marker. So same goes here, same goes here, same goes here, and same goes here. So if you have not started the addition right now, I mean, you don't need to do that, but in case if you have started, and if whatever method you're following, you can do it like completely in your way. That's what I have followed with Vivan. And I can do a separate video on how we did addition with Vivan, and it can help you to begin with your child. Okay, so next what do we have? We have color the ice cream. So because we are doing ordinal numbers also, so I've made an ice cream which is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and Vivan has to color the same. So the blue color here, red, purple, green, orange, yellow, and pink. So he has to follow this, and he has to read that this is the first one. The first one will be blue color. The second one will be red color. So like this, we have to recreate the ice cream by using different colors. Okay, I think this one is going to be like little tough, because once I was making it, even I got confused. Okay, so what I've done, I have like divided the page into four parts. So you have ordinal number, you have words, you have your dots, and then you have your number names. So you have everything just right here. So ordinal numbers and then ordinal names, and then you have your dots, and then you have your number names. So what you have to do, you have to all interconnect together. So fourth will be coming here, so you have to match it here. But where is fourth here? 4 dots, the 4 dots gonna go here. Where is 4 here? The 4 is here. So you have to like interlink and intermatch. So first maybe these two, and then these two, and then these two. So that's how we're gonna do it. First I will be just doing it with him like 4th, 1st, 9th, 10th, 3rd, 2nd, 7th, 5th, so randomly, and then I'll ask him to match it. And so first I will be doing these two and then this two, or if he wants to do it all together, we can do it. But I think it's gonna get a little messy if I'll be doing all of them together. But I thought it's just a fun thing to do. I mean, I just wanted to see how does it look together, how difficult or how complex will it be if we try and do it together. But I think it should be okay. It should be fine. I think we are still not ready with this, with the number reading of, the ordinal number reading. I think we can still read this. We can identify the numbers. We can do this, but I think this is gonna be tough. So we will be doing another activity separately where we'll be reading about 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th as the ordinal number names, and then I think I'll be doing this activity. Okay, so we did primary colors and secondary colors in the beginning of October. I think the first week of October we did that, and just to like get it back, I have just put like one page activity here, which is like the color block, all the colors, and then Vivan has to stamp the primary colors here and secondary colors here. So a simple activity, but just as a reinforcement, I'm doing it again. Okay, so again ordinal number activity. So as you can see, I've used my different stampers. They're like, these stampers are like very easily available. You can create any stamper. Like I have created many. I have done a separate video on creating stampers at home, so you can check that as well. Now, so what I've done, I have made these smileys, and I've written circle the 4th smiley. So he needs to figure out the 4th smiley and circle it. Then circle the 5th tiger, circle the 3rd lion, circle the 2nd elephant, circle, and go ahead. So simple activity, but just a reinforcement on ordinal numbers. Okay, so this is color mixing using stampers. So what I have done, like just to continue that activity of primary color and secondary colors, what colors do we make? So he needs to make. So what he has to do on this page, he has to mix the color here. So red and yellow he has to mix here, and then he needs to write the answer here. So if he mix this and this, it will be orange. So he needs to just put orange here. He cannot do mixing here. So mixing will be done on this page, and the answer will come on this page. So that's why I have left these two pages like this. I think it's gonna be a fun activity because you can mix here, and then you can write your answer here. You mix this, and then you write your answer here. Okay, so yes, Diwali is around the corner, and my Diwali video is also due. I have been like doing a lot of cooking with Vivan for Diwali sweets and a lot of savories. But yes, we are doing a lot of art. It's just I have been not able to record it, but I promise it's gonna come to you by tomorrow for sure. Okay, so here what I did, I've made a diya here, and Vivan likes to cut paper a lot of times. So I will be putting this here. He has already cut a lot of paper, and what he has to do, he has to just do paper pasting here. Because we have red, we have orange, he can take the glue and he needs to just paste the paper here to make his diya look beautiful. So that's how we're going to do on the book itself. And going forward, we are trying to read the word Diwali, and we are watching a very nice video on Diwali. I mean, in case if anybody wants, I mean, I can share the link, especially the mums from India, or even people from the West, if they are like interested in watching our video on Diwali. I mean, there's a beautiful 4-minute video which like really tells you what's the basic idea behind Diwali, and so I can share the link. Okay, so now what I've done, I have like just made the dotted lines, and this says Diwali, and Vivan has to use different pencil colors, and every alphabet, every letter he has to trace with a different color just to make it more colorful. Yes, so that's it, guys. This was my October book, and hope you like it. Please leave your comments, and sorry I kept you guys waiting for the video. It's been like more than 3 weeks that I've not posted anything, but yes, I'm back. See you. Bye.